So, now that you know what cues to look for and how to abbreviate, let's talk about how to take notes efficiently. First things first, break up your paper into sections like this. Now remember to always head your paper. Write the date, subject, and main topic on your page before you start taking notes for that class. During class, write your notes here. Listen for cues and write down main ideas, capturing as much as you can using abbreviations. After class, review your notes. Fill in blanks and highlight or underline important points. This should be done as soon as you can after class so you don't forget. If you have a study hall or any break between classes, do it then. If not, write it in your planner to do for homework. Finally, write a summary of what you learned here. It might be a sentence or two, but that's okay. The idea is to put the information in your own words. Then you'll be able to remember it better later. There's a printable template in the Resources tab. You can print that out and attach it to your notebook for reference, or you can print a bunch and take notes directly on them. Just make sure you get them in your notebook right away.